I have a gas fireplace. When the unit is running, it makes a popping sound as if metal is contracting or bending. It makes this noise off and on the entire time it runs. It is extremely annoying. What is wrong? How can it be fixed? Is this a safety issue?
Hi, this is Michael. Is this a new installation? And are you using concrete logs? Or have you been using it every winter, and suddenly it's different?
I just purchased the home last week, so it is new to me, but the system has been in the home since '94 when it was built. There are logs in there, but it is behind glass, so I cannot tell what they are made of. It says FireGenie on the remote, if that helps.
The thing that comes to mind is that some man-made fireplace displays have a feature by which they create a pop crackle to simulate a real fire. This is made by some substance that has been added to the fire area. As far as metal parts expanding, this could be a possibility, but should stop at some point after the metal burner has expanded to its full extreme. Silly question: if you close your eyes, does it sound like a real fire? If it is annoying, you need to disassemble the logs, and clean out the fireplace and all of the rocks and replace with new. There is also an interesting item you can add, and it may be there. It is a substance that looks like glowing embers from real wood burning. It's quite an art form. Michael.
No, this is nothing like a pop or crackle effect. It is a loud pop or bang of metal.
Okay, thanks for the info. At this point you need to A. Clean out the fireplace. B. CK for gas leaks at the visible fittings, light burner, and use light soap. If you see bubbles, there is a leak. C. Inspect burner assay for cracks and splits at seams. If there are any, replace. Michael.
Are you saying the leak would be the cause of the random bang or pop of metal that occurs?
If the gas is getting a chance to escape and pocket, every once in a while it will ignite and pop. Of course, it's only speculation, but it is a valid concern. Michael.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.